52nd Street and 69th Street.
Yo, this is rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged.
Amir,
Yeah.
no, don't stop. Just enjoy your stuff and that's it. You only have but so much time.
Have but so much time? What the hell?
You only have but so much time. Once your 15 minutes is done, that goes down.
Finally. First set to 34th Street. The one thing on the set that really tripped with service.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is Woodside, 61st Street.
That explains the massive holdup, I guess. Oh, it's catchy. I did not know I could do that.
You're so talented.
I do not care. This literally looks like one of my PL teachers. So we have Rockland County. I never knew there was a Rockland County.
Yeah.
And I said I was good at geography. Who even cares at this point? I am like the geography nerd of my class. Don't ask why, how. Don't ask how. It's thanks to KLT for that. Credit to them video. Shout out to KLT for this. Yo, the holdup is hard as today.